10 words a day for beginners. My. This is my computer. Hello, my name is John. Van. Sam is taller than James. Your house is bigger than mine. First. This is my first visit to New York. Today is the 1st of December. Water. I am thirsty. Can I have some water? Is there enough hot water for a bath? Bin. How have you been? Have you been to Canada? Call. You can call me anytime. We call him Manny. Who? Who is the man on the street? I am who you say I am. Oil. Olive oil is good for body. The car needs more oil. Now. We need to leave now. Many people now own a smartphone. Find. I can't find my keys. Can you help me find them?